How to fix Telegram downloaded files not showing in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your saved files, that is photos or videos, not showing on your iPhone. Now, if you're facing this problem, this video is for you. So let's begin. First of all, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings. So after you head over to your settings, go to your Apple account setting. Now after you're there, go to iCloud. And after you're on iCloud, go to your iCloud apps right here. And under here, you'll need to search for Telegram. Now, keep on scrolling till you find Telegram. And after you find it, make sure that you've just turned this on. If you have already turned it on, simply turn this back off and turn it back on. Now, after you've done that, simply head back and go to the settings. Go to General. After you're on General, scroll down and you will find Background App Refresh. Tap on it. And under here, you will need to search for Telegram. Now, simply search for Telegram. Make sure that you've turned this on first. And now search for Telegram. After you find Telegram, simply turn it on and off. So there you go. So simply turn this off and turn this back on. And that is basically done. That we are done with the settings part here. Now go to your Telegram app. After you're on your Telegram app, go to the settings on the bottom right. Now after you're there, what you'll need to do is go to data and storage. Now under data and storage, you'll find automatic media download. Now there, simply tap on reset auto download settings and reset it. After you do that, you can simply go through each one and make sure that you've toggled this all on and set it up to your liking. After you do that, you can head back to your chats. Now try to download your Telegram files and photos, videos. After you do that, if it still does not work, head over to the DM where you need to download the text, the files from, and then long press on it and you will see the save option. Now select both of these and you will see the save option. Tap on forward. After you do that, you'll need to scroll down and you will see an option called save to files. Now you'll see the save to files option. Tap on it. Now you can create a new folder here too if you want to. Simply tap on this, tap on new folder, name this Telegram, and you can simply save all of your videos under there. And yeah, that is basically how you fix the problem, guys, and that is all for the video.